Dear student of Standard 8, welcome to my economics class. Today I will discuss chapter 7, lecture 5. Our chapter's name is Bangladesh, State and Government System. Today I will discuss lesson 6 and topics is structure and functions of local government. At first, what is local government? Generally, the local government is a system of government which is elected by the people to run the local administration and maintain development works. In Bengali, local government means Sthaniyo Sarkar. This type of government is formed locally to solve local problems. As the territory and population of the state is large at present, it is not possible for the government to solve all types of regional problems from the center. So, in this way, the staff pressure of the central government is reduced and the solution of local problems also becomes easy. It is an important part of Bangladesh administration. The local government system has spread out in both village and urban areas of Bangladesh. Now, you will see that is structure of local government in both the regions, urban and rural areas. So, before that, there are two importance of establishing local government. Number 1, to solve local problems. Number 2, reduce the extra pressure of the central government. So this is the structure of the local government. Generally, local governments is two types. Okay, that is village area and urban area based. So in the village area based, there will be Union Parishad, Upazila Parishad and District Council. And in the urban based area, local government two types, Paurasabha and city corporation. Now I will discuss one by one. At first, Union Parishad. So there are 4,554 unions in the country and formation is 1 chairman, 9 general members plus 3 female members from reserved seats, and they all have elected for 5 years by direct votes of the citizen of local area. Now Upazila Parishad. There are 492 Upazila in the country and formation is 1 chairman plus 2 vice chairman, and among 2 vice chairman there will be 1 male and 1 female chairman will be elected over there, and they all have elected for 5 years by direct votes of the citizen of local area. So in Pabna district there are 9 Upazila. These are Pabna Sodor, Antghoria, Bera, Bhangura, Chatmohor, Faridpur Upazila, Ishwardi, Sujanagar and Shathia Upazila. So 9 Upazila consist of one district, that is Pabna district consists of 9 Upazilas. Okay. Now district council. A district council consists of some Upazilas and there are 61 district council out of 64 district under the Ministry of Local Government Affairs. So we know that there are 64 districts. So among 64 districts there will be 61 district councils and 3 is called the Hill Tract District Council. So Khagrachari, Bandarban and Rangamati, these 3 district councils are under the Ministry of Chittagong Hill Tract Affairs, or these 3 districts is called the Hill Tract District Council. The district council consists of 1 chairman, 15 general members plus 5 female members from reserved seats. But all of them are not elected by direct votes by the citizen. This is an indirect election. The chairman with all other members will be elected indirectly. They are elected by the votes of mayor and commissioners of all the city corporations under the district council, all the chairmen and of upazila, mayor, councillor of all the Poroshobas, and all the chairmen and members of the union porishad. So you have seen that is for example, that is in Pabna there are 9 upazila. So 9 upazila, there are 9 under one upazila there are many union porishad also. So in the union porishad, in the upazila porishad, so those who are already have elected in different election, maybe union porishad election or jila porishad upazila porishad, sorry, upazila porishad election. So all will cast vote and choose or elect this 21 member for district council. So that this is called the indirect election, because the citizen, they did not cast vote and choose these 21 members of the district council. The members of parliament under the district will be the advisor of district council. Do you know this picture? Yes, this is Pabna Poroshobha. So now Poroshobha is an urban-based local government, and there are 327 Poroshobha in the country. Formation is one mayor, some councillors plus some reserved seat for female councillors, and they all have elected for 5 years by direct votes of the citizen of local area. In our Pabna, just few days ago, they are held Poroshobha election, isn't it? Jila Porishad of Hill district. So I have already discussed about this. So again, there are 3 hill tract districts in Bangladesh. These are Rangamati, Khagrasari, Bandarbon. Formation, one chairman, a definite number of members plus ethnic plus Bengali. Now city corporation. There are 12 city corporations in Bangladesh. These are Dhaka North, Dhaka South, Chattogram, Rajshahi, Khulna, Sylhet, Borishal, Narayanganj, Rangpur, Kumilla, Gazipur and Mymensingh. The chief of the city corporation is called mayor, and there are councillors as the helping hand of the mayor. The numbers of the councillors can be more or less on the basis of territory. This is the city corporation of South Dhaka, and this is the picture of city corporation of Dhaka North. Now, function of the local government. To make and implement plans of total development of Union Porishad, to make arrangement for pure drinking water, helping the affected people and managing their rehabilitation, to keep environment clean and tidy in the Union Porishad, to make arrangement for first aid. Number 6, creating mass awareness and making various plans and programs relating small family. Number 7, making arrangement for awarding stipend to poor and meritorious students and arranging adult education for removing illiteracy. Number 8, maintaining law and order in the area. To make arrangement of collecting the land tax in the area. Creating mass awareness against the offence and informing the police if any offence or bad incidents happens in the area. Working to raise consciousness against different social problems like any harassment, dowry system, etc. And lastly, to settle the local dispute to maintain peace and harmony in the area. So, dear students, you have to memorize the function of the local government and Union Parishad. Okay. So, up to this, stay at your home safely. Goodbye.